Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website for language specific cultural experiences. Business isn't quick, so first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the website. Now create new site. Here, enter your business type. So for example, let's choose this. Enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add something to your website, so let's move on. Now your site is setting up. Now wait a few seconds to prepare the dashboard. Now design your site. Here, click here. Now wait a few seconds. And how would you like to design your website? If you like to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Here if you can add your information here, your email, your address and your phone. And here if you want to add a social link, so let's move on. Pick a theme you like, pick your favorite homepage design, and let's move on. Here you can add the page to your site. So let's continue. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage design. Now your site is ready and running. Now here if you want to edit more your website, go here. This is the settings of the website. Here if you want to add elements, click here. So the first thing is the text. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing, the same text, the titles, the paragraphs. Let's move on to the image. Here if you're looking for something here, and here if you want to upload image, here you can import image, and here you can show more image. So let's move on to the button. The themed buttons here, the shape or the size of the buttons, you can edit it. The text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image, the document buttons, the iTunes buttons, and the Wix chat buttons. Here is the payments buttons. So let's move on to the strip. Here are the classic, the featured, about and services, contact and the welcome, and testimonials and the theme. So here you can choose anything you want. That's it. Let's move on to the decorative. The shapes, here the same lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here are the vector art, the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and badges, and the characters. And the last thing here is the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So this, for example, if you want to edit, just hold on it and it will be added here. So for example, like this. So that's just for example. You can choose anything you want to add here. So that's it. So let's move on to the boxes section. Here the same boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. Also here the gallery, the recommended galleries here. Here also you can add some galleries you want. Just hold on it and like this, and it will be added here like this. So the pro galleries, if you're looking for pro galleries, the grid galleries, the slider galleries, and here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the menu and anchor, the same menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus, and here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. Here the last thing here is the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. Here is the contact and forms. Here you will find all the forms you want: the contact forms, order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. The last thing here is the Google Maps and full width, and the chat, the Wix chat button. So let's move on to the video and music. If you want to edit the video section, or here you can also edit the music section. So let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows, the box slideshows. Here the light boxes section, the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs, the repeaters, the hover repeaters. And let's move on to the list. Here the repeaters and the over repeaters, the blank. So here you can add anything you want, just hold on it and put it on your site, and it will be done. So here the embed code. If you want to edit the embed code here, if you can custom popular embeds. Here you can if you want to single video players. Also here the audio settings, you can edit the audio settings. So that's it. Let's move on to the social bar. This is the social bar. If you want to manage your social bar, the Facebook bar, Twitter or Pinterest or VK or the line, and here the YouTube channel. If you want to edit the bar of the YouTube. So let's move on to the payments. The payments, you can edit the payment settings the same as here. If you want to manage your site contents, the blog, the store, and the bookings, the events. Here you can add some events you want, just hold on it and put it on your site, and it will be done. The community, and last thing here is your designs. So that's it. If you want to add section, just click here, select any section here you want, and it should be done. So that's it. If you want to add page and menu, click here and you can add any page you want. Here if you want to design the site, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to add more apps, you can also manage your business. You can upload your media here. Here you can upload your media, edit image and videos. Here if you want to free Wix image. Also here if you want free Wix videos. So let's move on. The same as if you want to manage your site contents. And the last thing is marketing and SEO. So that's it. Here if you want to edit the website as you like, you can move it down or move it up. You can also do a quick edit. You can explore section layout. And here if you want to find out more sections, more actions, you can duplicate this section or delete it. You can also cut or copy. Just select any action here you want, and that's it. Now after you're done from this, just click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.